my videos. And before we begin, if this is your first time here, don't forget to subscribe and smash that bell button. Well, today we are going to prepare a spicy chicken recipe of Hmar tribe from Mizoram called Arsa Biepenek. I hope I pronounced it right, else do let me know. The speciality of this stew is that we are going to thicken it with some rice flour and spice it with bird's eye chili. The ingredients required for this dish are chicken, rice flour, salt, oil, turmeric powder, chopped garlic cloves, bird's eye chili, sliced ginger, sliced onions, and fresh coriander leaves. Now let's start cooking. First of all, we are going to marinate the chicken. So take a big bowl, add the chicken pieces, chopped onions, ginger, garlic, and turmeric powder. Mix it well and let it marinate for 30 minutes. Now heat oil in a pan. Marinated chicken and open cook it for 15 to 20 minutes on a medium flame, stirring in between. Once the water from the meat is almost dried, add 2 cups of water, salt, and bird's eye chilies. Stir it well, cover and cook it for 10 to 15 minutes. Now in a bowl, take 1 tablespoon of rice flour with little water. Mix it well. Ensure that there are no lumps. And add this paste into the gravy. Let it cook for 5 minutes or until it achieves a consistency of your choice. Finally, we are going to add the chopped coriander leaves and give it a stir. My dish looks ready. Time to try it. Here is the dish. The chicken stew is awesomely delicious. I love the flavor of the bird's eye chili, which has significantly changed the entire taste of an otherwise humble dish. This recipe is definitely a must try and I'm sure you guys will love it too. And now it's time to try it. Let me know how yours turn out in the comments and see you next week with another recipe.